Alright, YouTube, man. It's day 2 of Monkey. Let's get it. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. The fuck?
Asian. We're not Asian.
We just had him.
Had him.
And you didn't want to say thank you.
I said thank you.
He handsome. He cute.
I said thank you. Thank you.
What you doing? Playing a game?
Just chilling. I'm just chilling on here.
You might have your YouTube.
You're bored?
Are you streaming?
No.
Stop.
Yes, you are. Let me get my face out that camera.
That's streaming. I swear. I swear.
Because they're going to have us on the little edits with them little sounds or like all in the background with all the them RIZZ ass shit. You know, we not doing that. No. He look like one of them niggas that be on TikTok with that RIZZ shit. We not doing that.
I swear I'm not.
He said he not. That is what he doing.
That is.
I'm not.
Because he got them headphones on and look the background.
What did that mean? I always say, this is the here. Here y'all.
Huh.
I don't want to play it through my speakers.
Yeah.
Okay. We're
I'm just making sure. But if I could see myself on there, I'm gonna remember you. And when I'm gonna get you, I'm
gonna get you, bitch.
Nobody's streaming. I'm recording, not streaming. It's a difference. I had to mirror last time, y'all. Before I started this up. Come on. Hello. Come on, man.
No.
No. Why?
Tez. Well, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you? I'm doing good.
Well, did you know that if you would join us, the higher power, you could feel even better tomorrow?
What you mean?
All I'm asking from you is a kidney and a little bit of earwax. And all you gotta do is shake your dreads. Shake them dreads, boy! Shake them! Are you Frank Ocean? Shake your... No, Frank Ocean has green hair. The fuck? Shake your dreads, boy! Shake them. Shake them, like... Shake them. Shake that booty. Or your booty.
No, I'm not doing neither one of those.
Why?
Oh, but when girls do it, it's okay.
Yeah, right? What the
What?
fuck?
Okay, that's different.
I know you like when girls shake their booty in your face.
But I know it's...
That never happened to me.
Oh, I can see why.
Huh?
I know in my gut that's failing.
Are you gay?
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Why not?
What you mean, why not?
There's some fine-ass men in the world.
Well, I don't look at that.
What do you look at?
No comment.
I don't understand sign language. You don't gotta give me the... Right.
Let me just get going on anymore.
Good.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? HBGY?
Who are you staring at? Like, look away.
You the one who dancing, goddamn, nigga. The people I'm getting, people I'm getting, people I'm getting. Kidding.
You sure?
Damn. I didn't know they was on top. They lit staring. If y'all watching this, bro, hit that like button, that sub button. Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How
That's
are you?
good. I'm good. She look young. You hiding? Stop. Oh shit, bro. Mm.
Nam.
You wanna die tonight?
You got it. You got it.
Nah.
I was trying to keep a straight face, y'all. I couldn't. I wasn't even looking at her. I was just looking at the camera. But I be always smiling. Like I just be trying to be serious.
Yo,
Yo,
how are you?
yeah, how are you?
How is my phone on 10%? I'm good. What the fuck is Shanini?
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
Oh, you're a vlogger?
Rapper?
Huh?
Rapper. You're a rapper, gamer, blogger.
Gamer.
Oh, I know what. Very good. You know Mobile Legends?
How much I love you.
Why? Mobile
Much
Legends is very famous game in this world.
I don't know.
Why? Why are you not talking to us? Because we are ugly? I know, we know.
That's not.
We are good.
That's not even what I just
Hey,
said.
don't skip me, please. I'll be nice.
I'll be your mate.
Yeah, like, look what a nigga just says, bro. Like, look what a nigga just says.
I don't know.
To condone this nonsense.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Do, 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 do. Out the window, out the window. Well,
What up?
What up?
What you doing?
I'm just chilling. What you
Why you on
doing?
here? Nothing. I'm bored. But why you on here?
Content?
Content, type shit.
Yeah.
So you
Why
just
you
trolling?
on here?
I was bored and I was just gonna be on here until I go to class.
You got school?
Yeah.
Type shit.
You should be at school.
I'm 21.
Okay, I'm talking about college. I'm in college. It didn't have to be. I didn't say high school.
Probably 19.
Yeah. Yeah, I have class at 11:30. So I'm just chilling. Look at this back. Yeah.
What you in school for?
Criminology.
Hmm?
Criminology.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. My goal is to either be a lawyer in the future or be a crime scene investigator.
Tight shit.
Yeah. That's why I was just reading this. Wow. Before I got on here, but like, yeah. Now I'm just chilling.
Having grades.
Good.
All A's.
Yes. I keep my shit right. With the GPA of a 3.9, I keep my shit right.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah. But I'm finna transfer.
Or what?
I'm currently going in IU, and I'm finna transfer to Texas. Well, I like both TSUs, Tennessee State University and Texas Southern. So I don't know which one I'm gonna go, but one of them.
You trying to come to TSU?
Yes.
Everybody want to come to TSU.
Cause for one, they got a good on hands, like it's like labs back to back with crime scene investigate stuff, and I like doing fingerprints and all that. We barely do that out here.
You do her research.
Yeah.
That's good. You take schools, you take it serious.
Yeah, I do. I only been to I've been to 4 parties since school started, but that's it. But my education gotta come first. So yeah,
It's good.
like it was supposed to be a party like on Friday and Saturday. It was supposed to be a party. I didn't go. I'm not going outside till Halloween. I gotta lock in.
Lock in. Stay locked.
Yeah.
All right. It's nice to meet you.
You too.
Have fun. Be safe on here. Have fun on
You be safe. You got content, and they be doing crazy stuff on here.
here. Yeah, they do. I know.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
She was cool. I wanted to go to school, y'all, but it's when I feel like it's too late for me though. Like when I first was going to school, didn't go to school. Like I was focused in my kids. Like when I was gonna go to school, bro, I was ready to go to school. Then something came up. I just couldn't go. Just feel like it's too late for me. Oh bull. I'm about to 2 kids now. It's no point in me going to school anymore, bro. I'm just gonna be real. I just skipping, bro. I'm finna get off this bullshit, y'all. I'm game. It's good.
You look, you talking like fucking chilling.
Huh?
Can you skip?
Ugly. I know she ain't. Ooh, I should have got on her. Cause I was trying to be nice. You scared. Can't be mad because your boyfriend don't want you. Whatever.
Hello?
She like a kid. I don't care what that person I'm trying to. Hey, y'all, probably about to get off the bitch. For sure. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Like, bro, they just be, like, getting a can, bro. Hello. I'm skipping. Hello. Man, who made you mad? Who made you mad?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Somebody made her mad, y'all. Like a mean mug. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody want to see I got down root, but don't. Ooh.
Yo,
Yo,
how you doing?
good. How are you?
Good. What are you looking for on this app?
Nothing, just chilling.
Chilling and talking to people?
Hello. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'm about to get off the bullshit out. I'm about to get off the bullshit out. Yeah, I was gonna see if I can make somebody smile with just a smile. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Just smile. Let's see.
Hello?
I did not try to send that. Just skip. Let's see. Let's see. I do it. I said, y'all. It's easy, bro. I told y'all. Let's see if I can do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Let's see if I can make somebody smile without just a smile.
What's up?
What's that?
Is he cool?
Mm-hmm. All right, she ain't going. Now let's see if I can make you smile with just a smile.
Really?
Yeah. I've been doing it all. Everybody else been doing it, you know. So, like,
Oh, that's cool.
what you doing though? Just chilling.
Yeah, I was getting ready because I'm not trying to go to school, but I had to go eventually, I guess.
You go to school. You in
I'm not
college
trying
or
to go
high
to
school?
school. I'm in high school.
School. What are you,
I'm not trying to go
senior?
to school. No, I'm a junior.
Yeah, junior. You got
Bro,
two more years. This year and next year.
I'm not trying to drop out, but
Don't drop
I'm
out.
thinking about it.
No,
I'm
no,
thinking about
no.
it. I feel like I'm too close to drop out now.
Yeah, you too close. Should have did
Mm.
that your freshman year, if that's the case.
Well, I wasn't trying to drop out like the first year.
Well, I did what? Sophomore year? No.
Well, that's lame.
So yeah, you might as well just wait. Might as well finish it off. You're talking about dropping out.
How do you spell your name?
What you mean?
Say your name.
Fizz.
Ted. Okay.
Easy.
Are you streaming?
Recording.
Why you want to skip? Skip. Go ahead and skip.
Just recording.
You recording who?
Whoever on here.
Why? Why
It's
you
for,
recording?
it's for content.
Oh Lord Jesus! Fine. Ooh, let me tell them something. Jesus is coming back soon. Get your life right, cause he's around the corner.
Y'all hear that, y'all?
Put that on the video. Tight.
I probably might put down answer. Alright, bro. I'm probably finna get up, y'all. End it right here. Then start my stream. Then everybody in school on here, like, You got the red card? Huh? See? Make him smile like that. It's easy game. It's easy, y'all. All I gotta do is just smile. That's all I really do is smile. Like, I like no bull. Unless I'm really upset.
Hello.
Hello. How are y'all?
Fine.
That's good. Next video I'm gonna do rate. I'm gonna do rates. I'm gonna do 1 to 10s. Ask everybody. Boom, boom, boom.